And then this we ask and pray in Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen.
Kisay una mo.
That's what I got during the raffle. So I got guys, it's me again, Aiza, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we're going to celebrate our year and party here in school. So the first party that I'm going to attend this year is the party with the student with the BSIE department. And if you're interested, then just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next video. And if you're ready, let's begin. So today is December 16, 2022, and today is the party of the BSIE department. So we're going, so I'm preparing with you.
Benjamin Rubin. Sila mga Gio na po sila. Of course, last but not the least, ako kalimutan ako sa Sir Dante Proyente. And of course, ako si Sir
kami ako hintam ni ako partido karon
Basabaw man.
Hi Ninyo. Ninyo man, dili man ikaw Ninyo ba? Tilawin sa gunang kuan
this guy is barbecue to little tower. Joke! Joke.
Say it properly. Wala sila nasabtan. What's that?
It's a barbecue.
Ay, ipakita na.
To be a barbecue, then to be barbecues!
Ano nang asa ta mo lakaw na ta? Ha, mo lakaw na ta?
Go home na ta? Sige naman, Chani. Ato, tumam, Chani. Unsa mong kantaon happy birthday?
Kang balita.
Happy birthday to you.
Diba, naman ko para kalo nga para birthday?
Okay, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ailyn.
Basta siya kung kumain ba?
Sige.
Papaminas ang dada lang.
Hindi ka sa kinasing-kasing kapag suwat.
Nalato ni Papa Bern, basahon ni dada.
Please, tambali akong buti.
And in this we ask and pray in Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen.
Kinsay una mo duwal, be?
Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Next.
Woo! Go, Carlo! Asas, Carlo! Hi guys! So, I just got home from the party. So, it's keep on raining. That's why nadugay. So, here's what I got during the raffle. So, I got an air fryer. So, we're going to open this one. At the same time, I'm going to show you what some gift that I received. So, let's open this one. Unboxing na this. The time now, guys, is past 10 o'clock. So, this is my prize. So, I'm so happy because it's one of the bucket list that I have that I wanted to have in my kitchen or in our kitchen. So, let's open this one. So, unboxing na this. So, thank you so much to my sitting family for this one. So, this is the grand prize of all the prizes. Now, natikon ko di plancha, electric fan. So, nakulag para ako, hindi kay puta mong plancha, puta mong electric fan. So, this is it. So, we're going to open. Full bit. So, we have this one. So, I think it's for the, what do you feel that one? Kanang para sa iyahang, bibili ko na mo for the steaming or something like that. So, the color is, what's the color? Black or dark blue? So, dark blue open. Wait. So, that's it. So, the color is, what's the color be? Dark blue? Na siya black at the same time dark blue. So, ano siya? So, it's 3 liters, 3.5 liters, and then 1,400 watts. So, that's the thing. Ano siya? So, ano yung voltage? So, ano siya? I think you're going to put this one, if you're going to, like, what is it, nibutan ko na siya, if ma-fill in ba. So, that's our air fryer. Nasulod na siya, ganyan wala. So you get na lang, ano na lang, milk. So Camel ang brand. So ano siya. So also guys, a while ago we received also some, we have some rice, so 5 kilos rice, also from CTU-MOALBOAL, from my workplace. And then also I received this, it's from Jhyanyrose family, so they are both teacher in CTU, so they are giving us spaghetti. So we have 2 spaghetti with sauce. Next to that is we have this one Virginia sauce and pasta, good for 8 people. And also we have some pasta. So we have a lot of blessing for tonight. So I think I'm gonna be ending this vlog. So this vlog gonna be a title of this vlog is year-end party 2022 in CTU-MOALBOAL campus, because the first part of this vlog is we're able to witness the Christmas party or the year-end party that we have with the BSIE family or whole BSIE department. And also, in the second part is I'm able to celebrate my year-end party with my DIT2C CompTech night. I'm not their advisor, but we're able to, ako ang ilang gihimo ang mama. So, I wasn't able to vlog a lot because ako ang host, ako ang organizer. So that's the first Christmas party or year-end party that I able to organize in the entire. So Mark is reading the what we call that one manual. So siya mag-study sa ato ang FRYER. So thank you so much to you all for this one. So they said that I'm lucky that it's all that God. Thank you so much for all the blessings. So I have my air fryer. So I've been eyeing for this one for so long because gamit pa siya. But what can I expect na it's gonna be the early Christmas gift or early birthday gift, because we are not celebrating Christmas because we are not Catholic. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I think that's it for our vlog. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please do subscribe to our channel, tap the notification bell so that you will be notified for our next video. And it's me again, Aiza, saying that whatever you shall ask in prayer, believing you shall receive. You say bye with me. Bye!